Okay, make sure you on the webcam. Okay, yesterday we have learned the data type and input and output. Okay. Output. Okay, done. We continue to the Kotlin input. Okay. Okay, Kotlin standard input is the basic operation performed to flow byte stream from input device such as keyboard to the main memory of the system. Okay, you can take input from user with the help of the following function. Okay, this is the syntax for the input. You write the read line, double colon, and the method, and also we can write as the scanner class. Okay, this example of exercise. Okay, find me the array S3. We print enter text and we create the input, read line the input, and then print you enter what we enter the input. Okay, let's I show you. Yes, later after this you need to do. Okay. Okay, this example. Okay, find main array. Okay, print enter text. Okay, let's I run it. Okay, enter text. So enter Kotlin class. This is the input we key in, and then print line. Okay, you enter the Kotlin class. So this is the output. Okay. Okay, any question about the input? Before we try to the demo exercise. Okay, try to do this exercise for the input. Okay, wait. I share. Okay, this one. Forming the array string because we want to key in the string. Okay, and print enter text, and then the variation input. We readline the input, and then the print out is the print you enter the input what you enter. Okay, let's try. Open your IntelliJ IDEA. The slide in the Google Classroom, you can download it. This continued yesterday in lesson 2. Oh, yesterday lesson 3, sorry. Kotlin, input and output. Okay, if you have problem, let me know. Okay. If you're done, you can raise up your hand. Click the right reaction. Clement, okay, Clement. Okay. If you have problem, let me know, okay? Okay, how's that?
Uh, is there something which I miss? Because I double checked the code, but I don't know what's the matter. Is it possible over this line?
Okay, but you not key in the input, right?
You mean this one here?
No, the variation input. Read.
Here?
Yeah.
Read line.
We need
Oh, okay.
to
All right.
enter something.
All right, sure. Okay. Thank you. Just want to confirm.
Okay. That's why the result is null because you not enter something.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I suspect that much. So just want to confirm.
So that the input is null. Okay, let's see the moon. Wing Kiao Shing.
Where are teacher?
Okay, the output maybe different with your friend because we enter different input. Okay, enter text. Hello. So you enter hello. Okay. Understand about input?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Eugene,
Okay.
what you have key in? The input.
Teacher, I think I know why already. Because mine, I can't interact with the, for currently the editor, I can't interact with the code. That's why.
So you cannot
Yeah, just yesterday I tried to download and then open, but still cannot. So right now I'm still using the editor. I understand how it works already lah. I know why already. Yeah. So because like enter text, like just now what our friend showed, if you enter text on the interactive screen and then only it will come out, but mine is already fixed. So that's why just now I can't enter the sentence. That's why mine is not interactive. Mine can only show what the code I type in and then it will show the result. Yeah, I know how it works already.
your software cannot open.
Cannot.
Maybe laptop.
Yeah. It's my laptop problem, CPU problem. I understand how it works already lah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand how it works already. It's just a matter of fact that the current editor doesn't support that kind of function which I can manipulate the data, something like that.
Okay. Sirazun have problem? Maybe send a syntax error.
Which one error?
Read line. Why read line in red in color?
I don't know why.
Read line should be
I just follow the code.
Capital L 啊，龙轩。
哦，OK，看到，有注意到，有注意到，这应该是可以了。走的，
okay.
wait a minute.
Wait, it build and running. Okay, enter your text.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure you screenshot and save the word, okay? All of you, the exercise in class.
Teacher, for my case, can I write it like this? Let me share screen. So since I cannot interact over here, so I put some comment over here, like what will happen, like let's say enter hello world here, and then hello world will show up. So it literally means when I enter the text here, and then I enter the word that I enter will be show up over here. Is that okay? Because I can't interact here.
Yes, because you only can show the output.
Yeah, that's why. But I understand how it works. Yeah.
Okay, make sure you understand it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Who else? Sim, have you done? Not done. Okay. Lucas, slow. Have you done?
Yeah, I have done.
Okay, let's see your screen. Hello, I am Lucas. So the output is you enter, hello, I am Lucas. Okay, good. Well done. You are very quick pick up, huh? Okay. Okay, next. You continue. Okay, another exercise. If you are taking input from user other than string data type, you need to use the scanner class. This is the scanner class. To use scanner, first of all, you have to import the scanner on the top of the program. We need to write this import java.util.scanner on the top before we write main. Yeah, fun main. Okay, this is example. Import java.util.scanner. So we write this syntax main array.string. Okay, variable number 1. Okay, so scanner, we use scanner. So we write the input. Okay, print, enter an integer, the input. Variation, enter number 1, integer equals to number 1 dot next integer. Okay, print line, you enter what? The enter number 1, this that we declare. This is the input. Okay. Variable number 2, scanner system.in. Okay, we print the enter a float value. Okay, so variable enter number 2 is a float number, and then we enter number 2 next float. Okay, so the output print line, you enter the enter number 2. We come out the float number. Okay, variable Boolean value. Okay, Boolean value, you know that this is true or false. The scanner system.in, this is the input syntax. Okay, print, enter a Boolean. Okay, so we declare the Boolean input variation, entered Boolean, Boolean equals to Boolean value dot next Boolean, print line, you entered the entered Boolean. This is the input what you write. Okay, so the output should be, okay, enter the integer number 1, 2, 3. So you enter 1, 2, 3. This is the output. Okay, enter a float number. Okay, you write a float number. This is point number. So the output you have entered, okay, 40.45. Okay, enter a Boolean. Okay, you enter true. So you enter, this is the output, true. Okay. If you enter a Boolean, you have entered false. So the result, the output, you enter false. Okay. Let's try. Okay, put down your hand first. Sim, you have done for exercise 1? No problem. Okay, let's see. Show your screen. Share your screen. Where is it? The exercise 1. But where you write the this? You follow the coding that I give to you. The slide. The simple input output.
Teacher, I just have a question.
Okay.
So this one is, if you are taking input from user, means if I want to set the code to be able to be manipulated by user, then only then I need to write the code, which is the utility scanner, right? Is it a utility? Import Java util scanner. So it's the utility.
You can
I
use
see.
a read line and what? Dot scanner.
Oh, okay, okay.
Before this, just now we use the read line method.
Yeah, just now use the read line method. This
Uh,
one is scanner. Another method lah. This one is,
Scanner
but
is
this time is for taking input from user, so can read the line from user, right?
yes. Just now also can read from
I see.
user.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
This is for
Yeah, I understand. Sorry,
This is for class. Scanner class.
scanner class.
We put on the top before main.
Okay, I understand. I'll read the comment. Yeah.
Okay, if you have done, you raise up your hand, okay?
By the way, teacher, one more question.
Mhm.
When do we use scanner class? I mean, if the read line and the scanner class actually works, both works the same thing, then why do we use scanner class and when do we use scanner class?
Okay, we use creator class if we have too many class. Yeah, actually we have 2 class or what. Okay, later we can study about the array, something else. So we have the class. This is the class for um, input output. Another class below different class. Okay, later we can study. Okay, if we have only one to just want to input, we can use only the read line. Okay, read line method.
Oh, okay. So it's about the complexity of the code now.
Yes.
So that if the code is a bit too long or too many user entry, too many requested code to entry, so then we use scanner class
Yes.
because it's easier to implement. But then read line can be just like with a fixed code, something like that. Right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it's just a matter of whether it's for long code or short code only.
Yes.
Okay.
If long code, if we want to use the read line pun can, but we have to do the multiple time read line, read line, read line. Okay.
Yeah, I understand. That will be
Yes.
a bit problematic. Yeah, I understand.
Okay, let's see the realization answer. The output. Okay, try run again. Okay, enter an integer 5. Okay, you enter 5. Okay, enter a float value 2.9. Okay, you have entered 2.9. Enter a boolean true. So you enter true. Okay, screenshot and paste to copy to Word. Okay, all of you understand, right? Okay, let's continue next exercise. Okay, take input from user without using the scanner class. Here, we will use readline to take input from the user and no need to import scanner class. Okay, readline, apa ni? Double colon, take the input as a string and followed by the double, apa you call it? To ensure that the input value is not null. Okay, so the readline, the input value, we rewrite like this, double colon ni, to make sure that the input must not null. We have to enter the input. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, find main array string. Okay, print, enter an integer value. Okay, we declare the variable string1 read line. So we must enter a value of integer. Okay, next variable integer value. Okay, integer string1 to integer. Okay, print line, you enter the input, the integer value. It must, what you have entered must be same to what you have declared here. Integer value, integer value. Okay, so we print, enter a double value. Okay, variable string2 read line. Okay, same to up there. Okay, declare the variable value, double value, double equals to string2 dot to double. Good, so we print line, you enter the double value. Okay, the output should be like this, enter integer value 1, 2, 3. Yes, same to just now, you entered 1, 2, 3. Okay, enter a double value. Okay, 2.22222. So you have entered, the output should be 222222. Okay. Okay, this mark to make sure it's not be null. We cannot, we must enter some value. Okay, it cannot be null. It cannot be empty. That's why we write the, what is it? Exclamation mark. Okay. For just now, okay, if we will not enter something, so you have entered null. We not enter something, so the result you entered null. Yeah, it said the output. Okay, so when we use the marks, the mark exclamation this, it cannot be null input. It must user must enter something. Okay, understand? Lee Jin Ho, understand? Okay, Layuan, have you done? Okay, share your screen. The output. Okay, enter an integer value. Number 6. Okay, you enter the 6. Okay, enter a double value 0.999. Okay, you have entered the number. So that's all. Okay, good. Okay, do you have a problem with exercise 3? Have you a problem with the exercise?
So why I cannot run this thing? You see,
Let's see. String. What is it? Red in color. Maybe I have syntax error. Variable integer value. Tin Jun said, add read line. Something missing.
and here.
No, the second row, did you see the fun main down print, enter the and the while string 1 read line?
Where this?
No, on top.
第四行
你看到你左手边的 number 嘛，写着是啊那一行。
Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, enter integer number. Okay, enter 10. Okay. So you enter 10, enter apa ni? Boolean number. Double value 2.22. Okay, so the result, the output, you enter 2.22. Okay, well done. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we already done this. Okay, finish. Okay. This is quiz. Which one is correct for output syntax? A print, B read line. Sirajun said B. Tinjun said A. Yes? How's it? Lai Wei Chun said A. Lucas said A. So, okay, so the answer is A. Which one is the correct output syntax? Output syntax is we want to print out. Okay, for B, read line, syntax for what?
Read line is to read enter value from user, the input user.
Yes, the input. Lucas said the input. So when we want to do the input, we use the read line syntax, and for output, we use the print. Okay, number 2. Okay, what function print the message inside the double quote? Lai Yuan?
Print.
Print or print line?
Print.
This one, okay. The print function print the message inside the double quote. For print line function, print the message inside the double quote and move to the beginning of the next line. Okay. So the answer is print. Okay, good. Can you give one of input device and one of a output device? The device that we use to do the input. Moon? Moon Kiaxin? Let's try. What is example of input device and one example of output device? Okay, as I said, keyboard is the input, monitor, which is the screen, okay, the output. Okay, the input device. GPS for output. What is the input, Lucas? If the GPS for output device. Do you think GPS is the device? Lai Wei Chong? Can you give the word of input device? What else? Mouse? Is it input or output device? Input device. Okay. What about the printer? Leon Junha? Printer?
And this output.
Output device. Okay, good. Okay, so all of you have understand this, the input and output. Okay, next. Okay, can you write a coding to make sure you have the output? Okay, enter your name, which is your name. Okay, enter your age, your age, and then the answer is your name is, and your age is what? Okay, for example, okay, enter your name, Lee. Okay, your age is 20. So your name is Lee and your age is 20. Okay, let's do the exercise. Try to do the exercise to have this output using the Kotlin. Yes. Okay. If you have done, raise up your hand, okay? Okay, write according to you to key in the input, which is your name and your age, and print out the output. Emma and Lucas, please open your webcam. Okay. Okay, I upload this to the WhatsApp. The output should be okay. Okay, didn't you have done? Jinho, have you done? Okay, is it difficult? You can use the read line. Yes, you can stay at exercise 7. Make sure you save in Word, okay? And upload later in Google Classroom.
Teacher, can I see the output again for the very last line after the enter your name and enter your age? Teacher,
Yes.
can you show me the output for the last line where something like your name and your age is what? The very last line of the output.
Oh, just now I have uploaded.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, this is the example. If you want to user enter their name and their age, we can ask something else about their favorite color, favorite food. Okay, we can ask user anything. Okay, let's see. Okay, Tinjun. Okay,
Okay,
enter your name.
for example, we use Jason, all right? Jason, and then your age 21, and
Okay, you're coding, you print, enter your name. Okay, so you declare the variable name. So read line, okay. Then print your age, declare the variable age, read line, okay. So the output is print Hi, your name is, and print line your age is. Yeah. Hi, your name is, and your age is. Okay. Good job. Okay, Clement, have you done? Okay, you can change the input, what you want the user key in. About their favorite food. You can try change it and see the output, see the result. Okay, let's see coding from Lei. Lai Wei Chong, have you done? Okay, this is different version from Tin Jun. Okay, you can use print line. You can use a scanner for the input. Okay, enter your name, Ashutosh. Enter your age, 25. So your name is Ashutosh and your age is 25. Okay, well done. Okay, Clement, no problem. But the exercise. Who have finished, you can take break for 5 minutes, okay? Right, okay. Let's see the answer. Okay, we create a fun main array string. Okay, we print line, enter your name. Okay, variable name, read line. And then we print line, the enter your age. So we declare the variable age, which is the integer value. And then read line, we say the output. And then the read line is input. And then print out, print line, your name is your name, and then the age input. Okay. Okay, any question about the input output topics before we continue to next topic?
Teacher, can I share screen? I mean, mine work. I mean, just now I had my friend help out to see if my code works. So can you see my code? Because it also works the same, but mine is slightly different from you.
Okay, you can share.
So this is my code. I write like this. And then just now I have my friend to try to see if my code works, and the result is like this.
Okay, you run with your friend.
Yeah, my friend helped me to run my code
Okay.
because I don't have an app. So this is the result.
The name,
You want to see this one?
the coding. Okay, you print, enter your name. Okay, so your name, read line, print line, name, which is the input, right?
Yeah.
Okay, print, enter your age, variable, string 1, read line. String 1, read line is for name.
Sorry?
Variable string 1.
Value string 1 to read line, and then afterward I convert to integer because initially I write it as a string and then I use it to convert to integer from string.
Okay, this is for age.
Yeah, for age.
Okay.
Maybe this one is just extra steps. Oh, I see. Okay. All right.
Two
Thank you.
different coding.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, but I can see, I think mine is extra step. Yeah. All right.
You use not na, cannot be na, right? Read line.
Yeah. Yeah, not now.
Okay, good.
Teacher, can I share my screen?
Okay, Eugene.
Like this also can, right?
Okay, file name, enter your name. So you declare the variable string 1, read line. enter your age, and string 2, read line. Okay, yes, this is the simplest one, right? Okay, good. So I show the result, the coding to the group WhatsApp. Yeah. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, yes, Lucas.
I think my the coding stuff got problem. It cannot run.
Okay, let's show your screen. The red one must be in green color. Enter your name.
This?
Must be print double color. How to write?
But it can't run though.
It's a problem with the enter your name.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see the coding I have give to you. Variable. Oh, actually you need to print out first before read line.
Okay.
You can try running, follow my coding. I have shared to group WhatsApp.
Okay.
Try follow the code.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Any question before we proceed to new topics? Clement Ward, have you done? Please open your webcam. Are you there, Clement Wong? Okay. Please share your output. Okay, Clement, recording run. Okay, enter your name, Clement.
Yeah, I
And-
already did, but it just doesn't seem to work.
Oh, actually you need to key in.
What?
Print, only enter your name.
What?
You need to print just the word enter your name. So the user can input the variable name read line to as an Clement.
So you don't need the what enter your name or what?
We need enter your names, but the answer must be answered by user. User must key in the what their name.
Over here?
Yes. Okay, enter your name. Okay, enter your age. So your name. They continue. You must full stop. Hi, your name is Clement. Your age is 18. You can edit your coding, okay? How you want to make the output. Print how your name is. So the input name, and then you print line. I think the height should be one only.
So this one the one.
The second one only asks your age. Your age is. Okay, so you can edit your coding. Your name is Clement. And your age is 18. Okay, good. You can practice more, okay? Okay, screenshot and save to Word.
Right.
Okay. Okay, let's proceed.
Teacher, I still cannot run a teacher.
Mana, Lucas? Okay, show your screen. You follow the coding I give to you?
Yeah.
Fun main.
I cannot run the code.
Enter your name. It should be green in color.
Yeah, I follow your code.
Where is the mistake?
I think there's nothing wrong with the code because it's in different color setup. You see, our enter your name may be green, but his color is maybe red. So there's nothing wrong with the code. It's just he cannot run.
Or you don't have the grader? Okay, try Tinjun give your code to Lucas.
No, it's not about the code.
I cannot run the code.
He cannot run. There's nothing wrong with the code.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot run the code.
Yeah, he hasn't built the.
You run, you press run, 你按 run 加。他跑什么出来？
Yeah, 这个
整个关掉重新开过。
嗯。
我遇过这种问题，关到完。不是 delete 直接打叉重新开过的节目。
Let's start again.
嗯。
teacher, I share again, teacher.
Previous coding you have run or not? Before this?
Huh?
Before this?
Yeah, it can run.
Coding can run.
Yeah, yeah. 17, right?
You can use a 17 or corrector pun okay.
But it's Java version.
Okay, try corrector. Corrector or Java 17. You can use that. Okay, try run the simple one, the hello world.
Still same. I cannot run.
Maybe you have.
Haven't finished the Dowry rating.跑多一轮，现在跑多一轮。
Before this, you use JDK what JDK tu? Try. Enter your name.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. But why it's in red in color?
I don't know. I just follow the app.
Okay, it's okay. So you screenshot the output.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. Okay. Who else have problem? All okay. All can run the coding. Okay. Okay, we continue with the next topic. Let's open the operators. You can download the slide in Google Classroom. Okay, we learn about Kotlin operators. Okay, operators are the special symbol that perform different operation on operands. Okay, for example, plus and minus are operators that perform addition and subtraction respectively. Okay, we have 6 operator in Kotlin programming language, which is arithmetic operator, relation operator, assignment operator, unary operator, logical operator, and bitwise operator. Okay, let's see the arithmetic operators. Okay, this is the operators for arithmetic. Okay, first one is addition. Okay, we can write the expression A plus B. Okay, addition. Subtraction, A minus B. Okay, multiplication. Okay, make sure you use the symbol for this symbol for multiplication. Okay, A multiplied by B. Okay, division. Okay, A divided by B. And these are the modulus. A divided by B. Okay, modulus is the calculation, the answer for the remaining answer. For example, when we do the division, okay, for example, 7 divided by 3. So the answer is 1. The remaining is 4. So if the question said the modulus, the answer should be 4. Okay. Okay, let's try the exercise. Find main, okay, use the syntax, array a string, Okay, we declare variation A, the integer 20, variable B equals to 4. So we want to print A plus B, okay, equals to, this is the answer, A plus B. We print line A minus B equals to, what happened to A minus B? Okay, let's try this coding. Okay, you need to memorize the syntax here. A plus B, A minus B. For multiply, we use A dot times B, okay? Print line A divided by B, and also the modulus A dot rem B. Okay, follow this. Okay, you can use the word or you can use the expression. Okay, let's try the exercise 1. Zero zone, why? Maybe hang. You need to restart your computer. Lai Wei Chong and Sim, open your webcam. This is the example if we declare A as a 20 and variable B as a form. Okay, we can change it. A, you can change it. Another integer B, you can change it. And you can see the output. Okay, if we have another variable, you can add another variable, for example, variable C, you can add. Moon, okay? Okay, Shane.
Okay.
Okay, we have time. You can raise up your hand. Cannot run. Who can run recording? Okay, try to put print line to below. Print line the A plus B. You put together with the A minus B, A multiplied by B. You put below the print line A plus B. Okay, enter. Print line. Put together with the others. Put together with the print line A minus B.
Inside teacher. Put at which line?
You only
This one.
declare the A and B, and then you enter print line A plus B. You put
This one.
together just
Here.
now print line A plus B. Okay. Okay. Next, put enter.
Enter.
Okay. You write the print line.
Print line. Like this.
Okay.
Okay.
What else? Problem. And add. And add mana?
你 declare 你的 variable 的时候哦，你要放那一个刚刚你看 chat line 丁丁讲的那一个符号，要分开对
对，
这个是啊。哦，
不用了，因为你不用下一个 expression
后面不用
嘛
放，后面
因为你只是两个 expression 在这里罢了。
OK，试看一下。哎，等一下。哦，这个。对啊。
Okay. A plus B. A modulus B. The answer 0.
Maybe wrong code.
Hmm?
Wrong code. This one.
Is it true? A modulus B. 20 modulus 4 equals to 0. True or false? Is it true, right? Because 20 when we divide by 4, is there any remainder?
No.
No, so it's 0 for modulus A modulus B. Understand or not?
Yes.
Okay, so you can try to change the variable A and B. Change to something as number, something number. Can you try write 25 for A? Okay, and B3. Okay, try run. A plus B, A minus B. Okay, A modulus B, Y equals to 1. Why? Why? Lie. A
Remaining one.
Huh?
You got remaining one.
Remaining one. Betul?
Yeah.
Okay, try another one. For variation A, 100. B 1.6. What happened? Okay. Okay, done. You can save the recording. Okay, Lee Jin-ho, have you done? If you have problem, ask me, okay? We see the Lee Jin-ho coding first before we end the class. Okay, try run. Okay, good. Good job. Well done. Okay. Okay, I have upload homework in Google Classroom. Have you find out? Okay, make sure you submit before 12 o'clock, okay?
Which homework?
Homework, okay.
I
Homework
didn't.
one, okay. Have you found out? In lesson one. Okay, lesson 4. Okay, so any question before we end our class?
Then where do we submit?
All right. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Homework there to submit
Wait,
under lesson
I
4.
think you need to create another like.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
yesterday.
I create, okay?
And
Right.
what's our homework? Is it just now what we did just now?
Lesson under lesson 4.
Oh, okay. Right.
Wow.
Later I create a folder.
You mean lesson for after lesson 4? Or the homework one? Oh, okay.
Bye.
Thank you.